Somalis as a society, we're a clan-based society. And we have been fighting each other for the past 30 years for domination. Every clan wants to dominate other clans. And I would say that the president, Farmajo, is abusing the office of the president to empower his clan. And what he literally wants is his clan to dominate Jubaland and Kismayo. And that is not something Somalis usually like to talk about. But the reality is, we can talk about policies, but Farmajo has the interest of his clan at heart, not the interest of the Somali nation. And I think that is another issue which we have to tell our audience.
Afyari, you've heard what Jamal has just said, which is the clan connections which happen to be the decisive factor in these elections. Madobe, for example, comes from Ogaden. Farmajo is from the Marihan. And those clan connections or affiliations are one of the reasons why Somalia disintegrated in 1991 and continues to face the same problems.